Hello everybody, this is a new video. In this video we have something exciting. More power, some upgrades for this. Like we need more power for this, well that could be debated. But still it's more power, so why not? Alright, so this is Dad's 2001 YZ250.
Hey, YZ. We're in
YZ,
Canada.
yes. Okay, yeah, YZ. Anyway, this bike, we have other videos explaining what's done to this bike, so I won't go into too much detail. It's basically stock. But we got these Boysen reed cage for the bike. It was given to us from a friend of ours, and he said, go nuts. So we're gonna put it on this bike. And if you guys don't know what a REEDS are, they're on every two-stroke, they have them, and they're basically a one-way valve for the intake side. So it goes out and it can't go back in. So we're gonna put that right down in here, and they are right in there, attached to the engine. So that's where we're gonna put them, and let's get to it. All right, so take this off. We need to take off the seat, the side plastic, and the muffler. And well, I guess the side plastic would come off with the subframe, but we need to take the subframe completely off as one big chunk, and then we can easily get to it. Oh, as well as we need to take out the carb, and yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty easy. All right, guys, so we took off the tank because it gave us a lot more room, and it was literally 4 bolts. So that's out of the way, got more room, take out the carb. Now we have to take out these 5 Allen head bolts, and that should give us access to the actual REEDS. And just take it out, put the other one in. That easy. All right, guys, here's the REEDS side by side. So these are the old ones, and these are the new ones. And as you can see, they're in great shape. But as you can see as well, these flaps are a little bit wider on the Boysen REEDS than the stock REEDS. And if we do this, these ones are way stiffer than the other ones. So that'll improve how fast it comes back. And it said that it should improve throttle response. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, now we're just going to take out, or not take out, we already took it out. We're going to put back in this one, put back on the boot, and everything else goes back together the way it came off. All right, guys, let's see if these REEDS work. Go for it. Woo. Woo. All right, guys, it looks like it's working great. There you go, guys.